Next, you gotta pick a warm color.
No! Ah!
Hey guys, it's Taylor and Vanessa, and today we're going to be doing Don't Choose the Wrong Water Bottle Slime Challenge.
If you guys don't know how the slime challenge works, pretty much there's a bunch of water bottles here and they all have different colors, but some of them are filled up with water and others are filled up with glue.
So we have to pick one by one, and hopefully we get more glue than water because then our slime won't activate. So.
Yeah, that won't be good. But you don't want like a lot of glue because that's a lot of activator.
Yeah. I also wonder what color our slime will turn out because like look at all these like beautiful colors.
Yeah, like it's probably gonna end up probably being like brown.
No! Think positive. Beautiful.
Okay, beautiful.
But if you're new to our channel, welcome, but please hit that subscribe button to be part of the Tanessa squad.
And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to our personal channels, we have Nessa Grace and Totally Taylor. They're in the links in the bio. But also, make sure you share this video with a friend.
Some of you guys noticed that our comments are disabled. YouTube is going through this thing where they don't want minors or children to have comments, so they're working some things out. If you guys want to communicate us, because we know there's not comments, you can also comment on our Instagrams and we're most likely to respond to those.
Also, you guys can communicate with us when we set out community posts. You guys can always post on those too.
And we probably will heart your comment or talk back to you guys.
Yeah, so let's get this video started. We mixed up all the water bottles, so now we gotta play rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh, no! Okay, this one.
Purple.
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 Purple drapes.
We'll just pour it in and see how it goes. Wait, that's glue.
That's glue.
Yeah, I was about to say, is that glue or water?
Yeah, I got glue.
It's weird that you started out with purple because purple's like the darkest color.
True. I thought it looked pretty.
Vanessa's like, I'm worried about the individual colors, not the overall color.
Yeah. La 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 la. Here we go.
Okay, so now it's my turn to pick, and I'm actually going to go for this front yellow.
Ooh.
Yeah, because it's also the lightest color too, so it's gonna be easy to mix.
True.
Okay, let's figure out if it's water or glue. It's glue!
We both got glue, guys.
Oh, that's so pretty.
It's so satisfying.
It's some good stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna write my name.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, that's a cool signature.
Okay, now it's my turn to pick. I think I want to pick this green one.
That's yellow.
Oh.
Well, you already picked it, so.
Oof.
Water! You didn't even want that one.
No!
You wanted a green one, but you ended up getting water.
I mean, like, it might be alright that I get water because, you know, you don't want your slime tough, but like,
no.
Too much water
is not good.
No.
Well, looks like you're the first one who got water.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for, I think this is a red.
Ooh.
Yeah, so let's figure out if it's glue or water. It's glue!
Oh man!
It looks like pink when you pour it out in here.
It kind of does. That's really pretty.
What if you just keep putting waters all this time now?
That would be really bad, guys. I really hope I don't do that. Alright, now I think I'm gonna go for this blue color. So
are you sure?
pretty.
What if
Yeah.
that's water? What if you picked another water? Oh my gosh, she picked it!
It's a swimming pool now.
Nancy, you have so much more water than glue now.
I have two. Two
Girl.
waters and one glue.
Girl, what are you doing? I have no water so far, and Vanessa's got it twice.
Oh my gosh.
I think I'm gonna pick this yellow.
Ooh.
Oh, I meant to pick an orange, but yeah, it's glue. I kind of want some water because I don't want mine to be tough.
But you don't want it like a swimming pool.
No, I definitely don't want it like a swimming pool.
Oh look, it's half and half.
I know.
Half red, half yellow. You know what that makes? Orange.
Booyah!
Booyah!
You're like, you know what that makes? Orange! I'm like, okay, your turn. A blue. Let's figure out if it's glue or water. Glue!
Yes, now I have an even ratio. But you kind of don't want an even ratio. with
No,
water.
I think you want like more glue than water. We don't even know how many glues are in here or how many waters are in here.
What if we already got all the glues and the rest are water?
There's no way. There's no way.
Well, rip.
That's no. Yours is like so far a pretty color.
It's like a galaxy.
Whoa.
A galaxy far, far away. In the Vanessa land.
Or the Nessie land.
Oh, the Nessie's land. Yes.
Our buckets look totally different.
Definitely.
Okay, so now it's my turn. I think I'm going to pick orange.
Gone?
No, I haven't picked orange.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's glue.
Tyler got glue.
But now I want water.
Mine's like a swimming pool and then there's a little like sandbar in the middle.
Oh, that's cool.
It's blue right here. And
Oh, purple.
purple.
What if it's water?
Please don't be water.
Glue!
We're gonna extend the sandbar.
Oh yeah, we like that.
Boop, boop, boop.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
No, that's my joke.
I do it all the time. No, like for real.
She literally does it all the time.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes this time and I'm just gonna randomly pick one.
Oh, which one is she gonna pick? She's gonna pick this one, folks.
A red!
You got a bunch of reds. And I think
I've
it's
got
water. I think it's water.
Yes! Oh yeah! Oh.
It splashes everywhere. Like it's like a
Whoa, look at that. That's so pretty.
oh, ours is totally different.
Yours is more like cool colors and mine's more like warm colors.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty, pretty.
A pretty green.
Oh, I thought that was
Oh my
water.
gosh, I thought it was two. I literally, my heart just dropped.
I was about to say, I'm happy though. At least I got one water. I think I maybe want one more water. Maybe,
more?
yeah. Well, actually, imagine like how many glues would I get though? Like how many more rounds is there? Careful. Don't get it everywhere.
We're about to dance to that.
I'm doing dance right now. I think I'm gonna pick another orange. Orange. Here we go.
Water!
It's water! Okay, I think I'm good. I think I don't need any more water.
I think you're good too.
What if I keep getting more? And then you end up getting all the glues.
Ah, how many waters have we gotten? Two?
Yeah, I've gotten two.
So we're close similar. Okay, I think I'm gonna pick this red color.
Oh, she's changing it up.
Changing it up.
Changing it up.
Glue! Woo!
That's pretty.
And pick the cool color.
Why?
Pick a cool color.
We don't want my color.
Pick the green.
No, I'm not gonna. You picked it up!
Yeah.
I'll do the left yellow.
The last yellow.
Yeah. It looks like there's more warm colors though, so I'm definitely gonna have to pick one. Which makes me sad. I wanna keep my cool colors. Oh look, now I have a sandbar.
Oh yeah. Booyah.
Faces.
I think I'm gonna go for this one.
Oh, that's pretty. I like that. That's so pretty. Oh, that was glue.
Glue, yeah.
Ooh, yours looks like it's more like tie-dye.
Oh yeah, it's fancy.
But what happens when you mix it up?
No one will know. The world may never know.
Okay, it's my turn.
Your turn?
I picked this one.
Okay.
This one looks a little,
Liquidy.
It's water!
You have to do water.
I've had so, oh my gosh, he's the liquid.
Oh my gosh, okay, it's my turn. Ooh, I think I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay. Oh, I thought that was water.
I know, at
It
first,
tricks you so many times.
it seems a
Add some green over here. Bloop, bloop, bloop,
Bloop,
bloop,
bloop, bloop, bloop, bloop.
Okay, it's my turn again. This one.
Oh, next, yeah, 2 more rounds. Next, you gotta pick a warm color.
No! Ah! It's another water.
4 waters now.
Oh my god.
Your turn?
The blue.
Oh yeah, Vanessa. Oh, I'm gonna have to pick 2.
Go.
I think I'm gonna pick this green. With my colors.
Oh,
We're gonna have green right in the center. We're gonna try to make a heart out of this.
it looks like a Mickey. Because Taylor picked a warm color. I'm gonna pick a
No!
color.
No! Then I have to pick a purple.
Or green.
No, because then I have to pick a green, but then you get to pick the other purple and I have to take the other purple. This. No.
It's glue.
My life is sad now.
Pick your color now.
I'm picking this green. Grr, grr. That's 5.
Oh my god.
I have a lot of water in here. Which purple do you want? They look the exact same. There's no way you're gonna tell.
This one.
You sure? That one seems a little suspicious to me.
Glue!
Ah, what if this one's not glue? Voila! Okay, mine.
You got a water again, it's 6!
I got 6 waters, you got 2. I have so much water. I have 6.
It's a swimming
You
pool.
have 2. Okay.
I mean, like, it's a look of the draw. Yeah, you're ready to mix it?
Yeah, I guess we're gonna mix it now. Oh, mine is just like water. It's just straight up water.
I think my
We
purple,
love that for my life.
I'm pretty sure my purple's gonna take over a little bit. I don't know.
Mine honestly doesn't look that pretty. It's because I had to put that purple in there.
I might have sabotaged you.
With all this water, what are the chances that this is gonna make slime?
40%.
That's not a lot. You have like no hope, do you? It sounds like water. Look at yours. Yours kind of like drizzles. Mine's just like, it's time to bum 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 bum.
Activate our slime.
But
Group Ew. Now I gotta touch it.
It's gonna fall back in.
I have to touch my sticky spatula. I need to take my scrunchie off. I like this scrunchie.
Oh yeah, we're just gonna. Whoa, that looks so cool. Yeah.
Ew, there's slime all over mine.
Oh look, it's like only thick where I poured it.
Same.
But like it's only activating where I put the staple. I think I'm gonna go in with my hands, honestly. Oh yeah. Oh yes, there's still so much stuff. It kind of feels like I'm washing my hands and like syrup. We're gonna need so much activator.
This is a workout.
Time for a workout. These slimes are such a hassle.
Mine turned out to be a purple color.
That's cute. Oh, it's splashing.
Oh, stop splashing me.
More activator. Oh, I think I'm gonna need another bottle of activator.
Pool of activator.
Oh, it's starting to get there. Look, I'm starting to see the bottom. Like it's coming together where it's like sticking. Whoa, look, it's like totally working.
Whoa. I'm surprised yours activated.
Mine activated. You had no hopes for my slime, but you know what my slime said? It laughed in your face.
That's great.
It's like, you don't think I can activate? Yeah, well, watch this. Like, maybe we should get them out of the container. Now, my squish, hey.
Oh, holy moly, the activator just dripped all over me.
Whoa, the slime. Oh,
It moves the table.
we're moving the table because our slimes are so thick. Look at this. Oh yeah.
Mine's like has so much activator in it. I have to keep mixing it or it'll stick together. Oh my gosh, every time I try to
Look at this, hear the sound. Not that vicious.
jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Mine has so much water in it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, we're going crazy. I kind of actually like my slime. What if you take like a small piece of it?
Oh, really satisfying.
She's a little bit tough though. How's yours?
It's kind of like tough, like clear glue.
Yeah. What if we mix theirs together?
You want to mix?
Yeah, let's mix. Let's mix our babies. Let's mix warm with cool.
And see what happens.
Yeah. You ready? Oh yeah. Oh, the table.
Yours is like a water bubble.
Who will win? What color will take over? Probably yours, because yours is darker.
Yeah, go purple.
Go orange!
Go purple.
Go orange! Purple!
It's like a sandwich.
It's so tough, guys.
Flip it over.
Ah.
This table is messed up.
Just like your life.
Drop dummy!
Oh my gosh, there's a hand coming at me.
Try to like slowly go through it.
You can't put it on top of me.
We do it again, do it again, do it again.
Darn it.
We made our slimes together and it's mixed together. It's actually kind of cool because it's like this color is right in the middle of both.
I know.
If you guys want to see yesterday's video, it's gonna be right over there. And if you want to see more videos like this, it's gonna be right below there.
I'll see you guys over there. Bye!